Sure. Here's a detailed overview of the rise of the metaverse in Southeast Asia. Overview. The metaverse refers to a collective virtual space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual reality. It encompasses augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and the internet, creating immersive experiences. Key factors contributing to the rise of the metaverse in Southeast Asia. Rapid digital adoption. Southeast Asia has experienced a surge in internet and smartphone penetration. Countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines are leading in digital engagement. Increased access to high-speed internet enables more users to participate in virtual environments. Youth demographics. A significant portion of the population is young and tech-savvy, eager to explore new digital experiences. This demographic is driving trends in gaming, social media, and virtual interactions. Gaming culture. Southeast Asia has a vibrant gaming community with a growing interest in esports and virtual gaming platforms. Games like Roblox and Fortnite are popular, serving as gateways to the metaverse for many users. Investment and development. Tech companies and startups are investing heavily in metaverse-related technologies, from VR headsets to AR applications. Governments are also recognizing the potential of the metaverse, encouraging innovation through grants and funding. Social interaction. The pandemic accelerated the need for virtual social interactions. Platforms that facilitate socializing in virtual spaces gained popularity. The metaverse offers new ways for users to connect, attend events, and socialize. Challenges and considerations. Infrastructure development. While urban areas may have good internet access, rural regions lag behind, potentially limiting the reach of the metaverse. Investments in infrastructure are essential to ensure equitable access. Digital literacy. There is a need for education and training on navigating the metaverse, especially for older generations or those less familiar with technology. Initiatives to boost digital literacy can help bridge this gap. Regulatory issues. As the metaverse grows, regulatory frameworks need to evolve to address privacy, security, and digital asset ownership. Governments must balance innovation with consumer protection. Case studies. Roblox in Southeast Asia. Roblox has seen exponential growth in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, where users create and share their own games and experiences. Local developers are building culturally relevant content, enhancing community engagement. Virtual events. Companies are hosting virtual events in the metaverse, providing immersive experiences that attract participants from across the region. Events like virtual trade shows are becoming popular, showcasing products and services in engaging formats.